What's going on, everybody? Got a quick update on the free Bitcoin I wanted to share with everybody. If you're doing the free Bitcoin strategy like I've showed in the past, you have the dogecoin, the litecoin, and they've added Bitcoin Cash and they've added Dash to the new Coinpot. Well, they just released Moondash. So now you're going to be able to take your Dash that you collect all day, your Litecoin you collect all day, your Dogecoin you collect all day, and move that into your Bitcoin. Right now I'm at 97,000 Bitcoin, and still no faucet for Bitcoin Cash, but it's coming soon, so maybe today or tomorrow, we'll have to see. I'm going to take you right to the Moondash site. It's similar to all the other sites. It moves up just like the other sites, claim every 5 minutes. And you can really build this up pretty fast. I'll leave a link below to Moondash if you want to sign up with the other links as well, because you can really get this built up pretty fast now that we have Dash. And once they add Bitcoin Cash, you're almost doubling your amount of free Bitcoin every day if you keep converting this, as long as they allow this free conversion, which they have been so far. So real exciting news for everybody that does not have a lot of money, that is trying to get into Bitcoin and then using my free Bitcoin strategy. So right there it is, guys. So that's about it. I wanted to update everybody on Coinpot and the new faucet they added, and I think they're going to be adding this one probably today or tomorrow as well. So we'll keep an eye on that. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments section. If you like the video, like it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I will be doing another video later today or tomorrow on a new free Bitcoin wallet, as well as new faucets, so you can start adding that as well as this together. So you can really start, you could probably have the potential with all this together of around $10 to $12 a week if we do this right. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.